Hello guys, welcome back. So in our last video, we looked at the insert ribbon and we looked at all the things that you could possibly insert in your document. We said you could insert pictures, page breaks, page blank page, and so on and so forth. So in this video will be a very short video. We're going to be looking at layouts and how to arrange this layout. Actually helps us arrange our sheet in a way that we want. Now let's take a look at each and every one of them, each and every item in this layout ribbon. Now the first item here is called page margins. Now there are four margins in every page. We have the top margin, we have the bottom margin, we have the left margin, and we have the right margin. Now for the top margin, you can actually adjust. This margin is simply talking about the spacing between the top of your document to where the text actually starts from. Now in this case, you notice that from the top of the document here to where the page actually starts from is a bit wide. This is the standard margin. You have that on the left, you have that on the right. Now this tab actually helps you arrange how narrow or how wide these margins should be. You can actually also custom those margins so that you can actually do it based on what your needs are. Now orientation. Now there are two orientation in Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office. Now they are portrait and landscape. Now portrait means that it is straight. The height is longer than the breadth. Then also in landscape, the breadth is longer than the height. Let me just take an example. Now this document is in portrait mode, which means you notice it is longer from top to bottom than from left to right. Then if I change the orientation to landscape, you notice it is now longer from left to right than from top to bottom. That's for each sheet. Now the next one is size. Now there are different size, but the standard size for printing is the A4, which is your normal paper size. So most documents are either on letter or on A4. Now if I choose A4, it will automatically shape the document in the form of an A4 paper. Then we can set our documents into columns. You can make it one column. Currently it's on one column, which means we are typing on a single column. We can set it on two columns, we can set it on three columns, we can set it on any kind, depending on our need. Now we also have breaks, page break. We can also set our line numbers. We can also do our infinition. We can also do our indentation. Indentation simply looks at the space between the left edge of your document to the first text on the document. Then we also have spacing. The spacing before your text or spacing after your text, and so on and so forth. These are the things that you can carry out in the layout section of your Microsoft Word. Now I would advise students that took this training to actually download the Microsoft Word and actually do some work on it, as this will help you broaden your knowledge of it. I believe there's a lot that could be learned in practice. If you constantly practice, you become better at it and you become extremely good at it. Thank you.